broadcasting an educational purposes only channel. No children!
Good morning, Gromy. Today is Wednesday, May the 27th, and I hope you're having a good one. Got the flowers popping. Yes, indeedy. Hummingbirds love these ones here too. Yeah. Looky here. Looks like my prickly pear getting ready to pop some flowers. Heck yeah. I can't wait for them to pop up. Pretty, pretty. These poor old prickly pears. I don't do shit to them. But they keep on coming back. Yeah. It'll be exciting to see a flower off this. Hell yeah. Wish I would have cut these back last year. They'd be a whole lot prettier if I would have. Shit happens. Cannies are bumping on along. Imagine I'm going to be right breezy for the next couple days. When it rains, it blows. It's a little overcast, but I think the rain's gone for at least 3 or 4 good days now. Looks like my cassava gonna take on off finally. Yeah, I'll be able to cut a root out of that one, that little lower, and have something to plant next year. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I have no idea. I'm probably gonna have to take that big old pot and bring that indoors for the winter. Okras are coming on. My peppers are coming on. Let's see if we see any sign of bugs. I have not hit anything yet. No Captain Jack's dead bug. I'm gonna hold off for a while. It's been raining. I ain't even been able to cal-mag my plants. I've been pumping out my catch pans with a shop vac for the past 2 days. Ain't nothing got watered. I ain't even had to water the Sclerella Z, and it's covered. Yeah, we're getting us some good squashes coming on. Looks like this thing's finally getting this stuff back together. I don't know what the hell happened to this squash. It went bonkers. Didn't like it. I don't know. I'll put Captain Jack dead bug on everything. Something happened to this one, whatever it was, but it looks like it's coming back around again. Bloom on the maters. Maters are jumping on up there. Let's see what we got in here. Not a whole lot going on with this one. I had aborts. There's another abort right there on this zucchini. Hopefully, these will do alright. They're looking like they're alright. Hopefully they won't abort. I might throw some flower girl at Dr. Flower girl at all this shit. A little later on. Maybe tomorrow. I really hope Dragon Sclerella Z here, I really hope she just stays on into flower. I hope she don't go back into veg. I ain't trying to deal with no monster ass damn plant here like I did Miss K's Rising Sheba last year. I'll be quite happy. It'll just stay around here like that. I can definitely lay it over again. Go around and lay all them over. Widen her up some more. I just hope the damn thing stays in flower. I ain't looking for the ass whipping I took last year. These other kids will be a different story, probably. Old Brussels sprouts looking alrighty. I'm about to get my trellis up for my cukes. They're starting to get on up there now. That one's ready for grab a hold of some net, I do believe. Yeah, got my damn shot back out here. Been sucking water out of my catch pans. I see no sign of caterpillars. They're doing alrighty. I still ain't sure. I definitely can put some lay some branches down on the calves period for them. Man, I still ain't sure, kids. I still ain't sure. I'm finding it hard to believe. Because a lot of these things that was looking like balls have been turning into vegetation. I just don't know. See, all that shit was looking like balls. Now it's fucking pushing veg. I have no fucking clue. Everything that's over here gets supplemental light at night. Got a light up there, and there's a light over there. So these things get light. What you doing, buddy? I got the troops in here, boys. Look at that. Got the troops in. Yeah, fuck. And look here, I got, I can see 1, 2. What are you doing, Max? Get the fuck out of here. Hey, y'all get the hell out of here. Get out of my face. You're in my space. Get on. Yeah. I put 4 in the ground. So I'm expecting 1's going to be popping up right in there somewhere. But I don't know what to do, Grammys. I'm just not seeing it. I don't want to whack this goddamn plant down until I'm positive it's a male. I just ain't seeing it. I'm going to be transplanting these. Putting them out there on the banana pile. Banana hill. That'll be what we'll call it. But yeah, definitely. And do some more training out. Training down, yes indeedy. Everything looking good. I hope Miss K ain't mad at me. Oh my God. I forgot all about Miss K's live giveaway. Oh, I feel really bad about that. I think I won Miss K's first ever giveaway. I got caught up with everybody in Rock's live and forgot all about it. What we got here? What is that shit? Oh, that used to be a bug. Ain't no more. Oh, maybe he got it. Maybe my trooper ate his ass. Oh, get that damn ant, please. Yeah. Got a top dress for Miss Gigi indoors tomorrow. So I'll be throwing that little video out. It's just been fucking so much rain. That old cash pan slam fool. I done sucked these dry a couple times. Mr. Blueberry. Old blueberry bush looking good. Gotta do a little training. Get a little training. A little clumped up right in here. I'm gonna train that on over this way some. Yeah. Gotta have that pretty twist, Miss Twee. Looking good. Phew. You can take one of them and fan yourself. You get hot, just pluck one of them big bitches off. Yeah. All right, Grummies. Time to get back after it. Hope you have a fantastic day. Appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.